to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Alright, on this video right here, we will be painting this top. I just put the panoramic in. Y'all want to check that video out, check the description out, it'll be popping up. I also did some rust repair on both sides. That video will be down in the description as well. But this video here, we're going to concentrate on this top. We're going to be painting everywhere where you see prime at, because I got a LS quarter top also I will be redoing. So I'm going to paint it before I put that back on. We're going with the same color what the car gonna be. Once he do the get the body work done, somebody else gonna paint it. I'm just gonna do this top for him. But what I need to do now, I need to put a guide coat on this primer here so we can wet sand it. So I'm gonna get something to keep the overspray off the glass and the also the surface of the old paint. Like some cardboard or something, a shield. So I'm gonna spray some guide coat on it. And then once we get that guide coat on it, we're gonna start wet sanding. Got my piece of cardboard, flat black spray paint. We're gonna lightly mist it on. That's all you gotta do. Get up here. Then we'll start wet sanding. I got some soap and water in a bucket. I'll be using 400 grit. I'm gonna drop a sheet in water, let it soak for a couple of minutes. And I got two blocks. I got a rigid block and a soft block, and a rag. We'll let that soak, then we'll wet sand our area. Okay, I got my sandpaper wrapped around my block. We're just removing the guide coat. I'm gonna use my rag to keep it wet, surface wet. Going in the X pattern. If you still see some guide coat, that means you need to keep going. The area there gonna be low if you still see guide coat. You wanna keep the block flat. Make sure you get the area as flat as you can. Let's go ahead and wipe this. Show you what we got. I don't know if you can see, I still see some guide coat there. That means the area that's somewhat low, so I gotta bring it on down. It need to look like this here. Nothing but the gray primer. All right, let's continue. Wet sand complete. Also remove the glass. Now I take it back on the inside, mask everything up, get ready to spray the paint on it. We're inside now. It's time to start masking. I got a mask up the sunroof open. And around the doors, the backside, because I'm gonna put some plastic over the entire car. So I gotta trim it out. This for the sunroof opening here. I'm putting 3 pieces of paper together. Try to keep that overspray down from getting on everything. Alright, let me take care of that. Here's the trim outs. Now I take this plastic, cover the whole entire car. Go back and tape it down where I got my trim outs at. Here's the masking. Now I'm ready to shoot my base. I'm gonna wipe it down first with some wax and grease remover. Remove the fingerprints from me masking and water sanding. Then I spray my base. It's gonna be a custom mixed base. It's tri-stage pearl. What we're going with. Coats of base. I think it laid down well. I sprayed it with the Cadillac 5000B 1.3 tip. Now I spray my pearl. Here's the mid coat. I sprayed 3 coats of it. Now I'm finna mix up the clear. Spray the clear. Take it to the other side. Alright, let's go in here and check this box Chevy out. Three coats of clear. It's been about 45 minutes since I sprayed it. There's not much trash in it. There was a bug or something landed in it right over here. My first coat of clear. Or it might was some trash that I blew. Because when I was spraying this edge here, that's when it got in it. You can see it right there. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this color. That goes to repair. I'll probably cut and buff from here up because the top going on the back area, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll probably cut and buff this area here. Knock the head of that bug or whatever it is off. I pretty much can go ahead and unmask for real. I shouldn't have no bridging except right here. But it really don't really matter because the top covering all this up anyway. Well, this part here, it's getting covered up. But y'all get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think about it. I'll cut y'all back on once I put the glass back in. Give you another look at it.
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from